Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. Right now I'm driving to work. I'm so mad because I don't have my camera. I left it. So yeah, basically I'm gonna do a weekly vlog for y'all. Let me stop here so I can record. Yeah, basically I'm gonna do a weekly vlog for y'all. I'm done with school for right now, so I could get some more content out. So yeah, it's summer. I was taking summer classes. They're too much. Summer classes is way too much. I don't know how people do it, but it is way too much. So yeah, I'm done with that. Like, I'm not taking another one. I just took summer 1 classes, done that. I passed, struggling. Like, they giving me what, like 10 assignments a week? Like 1 class? That was a little too much. But big assignments too at that. So yeah, I think I'll be good now. But anyways, on my way to work, you know, work stuff, 9 to 5 stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I see my little crock bag. Now, y'all wouldn't be knowing this, but it's just me telling y'all, I'm the worst. Like, I first started on Monday. It's now Wednesday. It's not that bad, but I said I was doing a weekly vlog. I'll skip a whole day. But I ain't really doing that yesterday. But right now, I got an order from Temu. And I'm going to open it. So y'all gonna watch me open it. And I'm on the floor from Temu. We still see what I got. You know what I'm saying? We gonna do an unboxing. Okay. I got these pins. Cause I'm throwing a baby shower. And you know they game when they be like, if you see the word baby, collect a pin. I think I got 2 of these because this is not enough. How much is in here? I don't know. I got it from Temu because why am I spending a lot of money when... Why would I need to spend a lot of money? And I have a problem, like, if I'm buying somewhere, I have to spend at least $100 and there's no point of ordering it. So, you know, I just had to get random stuff as well as the stuff that I needed. This is just a little flower wall. Y'all know I'm in a class. I got students, so I was like, for the cozy area, I'm gonna do this next school year for my kids. So that's gonna stay like that. I got this melting clock. Am I doing this too fast? I hope not. I want to see what it looks like in person, because Temu sometimes they stuff. Y'all know. Oh, it's a room clock. Oh, I didn't want... Oh, this is so cute. I didn't want it to be a real clock. But it's supposed to, like, hang, like that. But I didn't know it was, like, real, like, it really collects time. That's cute. I need batteries. But that's even cuter. That's cute. So I want to show you my hamper. What's this? Oh, the theme is strawberry shortcake. So I got strawberry, but I already found some. So this is literally a waste. Like, should I return this or give it to somebody else? Like there, I guess. And this feels weird. It's not even. Whatever. Okay. Yeah. Whatever. This. What is this? A lot of stuff, I don't know what it is. Oh. It was these bamboo toothbrushes. They all different colors. Like, what was the point of getting this? I just thought it was cute, you know? Where's pink at? I'm about to change it. I'll change my toothbrush. Oh, here it comes. Let's show y'all what it looked like. Yeah, it's just a random, regular brush. Okay, I was making sure the bristles is not too soft because anybody. Oh, they came out cute. Whatever. So if anybody sleep over and need a toothbrush, I got a bunch of toothbrushes. Feel me? I think this is that baby game. I think you gotta put the pacifier where the baby mouth is. That game, whatever. This is the bag full of stuff that I got for it. This is just decorations and stuff. Where did? Oh, yes, he star. But okay. It's something to. It's something to. I'm not opening it because I'm not opening it. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Whatever. What is this? Oh, okay. Ooh, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, this is okay. These little jeans. I'm so cute. Okay. What's this? Is this Brogue? What is this? Ooh, okay, I know what this is. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, and this for my Stanley cup. This is like the top for it's Hello Kitty. That's so cute. But y'all, I got a croc bag instead of getting a bag bag. This is my teacher bag. And look, it's saying Miss Talina. It's so heavy right now. I got all this stuff in here. But I got charms to put all over it. Where's the charms? Oh, it's right here. It's Hello Kitty charms. So I got charms to put all over it because that is so cute. And I'm gonna do it right now because I'm so hyped. Like, I'm too hyped right now. So I thought it was gonna be more than this, but whatever. Okay, I'm finished basically. Like, they gave me a bunch of cinnamon roll and I got 2 left, but I feel like I need, like, I don't even have no Hello Kitty on here, like, at all. They didn't give me no Hello Kitty. I ain't give me no Hello Kitty, but it's cute. Like, you know, I guess I want to fill it up more, but my thumbs hurt. Like this, and they're different. They come like you gotta like do it sideways. That's why it was kind of hard. Usually I just push them in like that, but this was a struggle. I'm not gonna lie to you, this was a struggle. So basically, y'all, this, I know what this is now, because I am going to make a junk case I wanted to make. Why come in a Christmas? Okay, but yeah, what? Oh shoot. Yeah. Oh, this is gonna be cute. I tell you doing with the nail things, but what? These is huge. People really be putting these on their nails. This is huge. Look at my. I got a bow in here. Oh, I need my nails done, but this can't even fit. I guess, but still the long ones, they still sticking. No, I don't think these is dumb ones. I really don't. Okay, this teddy. Oh, this is cute. This probably could fit on somebody. Yeah, but some of them ones is huge. I don't know. But ooh, oh my god, I'm gonna make a oh yes, my bad. I'm gonna make a case. It's gonna be so cute. I'm gonna show y'all. I look a mess. I'm all sweaty and sticky. Oh, I ain't show y'all this. This is, I'm putting this in the back of my car. Well, not this back, the seat. So I can put like the bags. This came out so little. This is not, okay, whatever. I'm gonna try it, but Temu low-key be finessing because why is this little? Like, how is this gonna hook on it? Whatever. I made it anyway. Like, this is tough. Don't play with me. I think I was supposed to put something underneath it, but, and I must, look, this is my April case too. But yeah, I think I was supposed to put something underneath it. But this is cute. Like, what? For my first time too. Don't play with me. Junk cases. Actually, if y'all want one, matter of fact, no. Person that like, comment, subscribe, follow me on the gram. Matter of fact, hold on. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on the gram, follow me on TikTok. Y'all should do it. It's on my intro, so y'all should see that. You will get a free case. I will make you a free case. You just have to DM me and tell me what type of phone you had. And I'll throw in, matter of fact, I'll throw in my bag that I made too. I'll throw this in with it, right with it too. Bam. I'm about to put another teddy bear right there. So, but I'll throw this in with a free case for free. And I'll send it to you. What? Yo. Hey YouTube, welcome back. What? Every time I open this camera, I always say, hey, YouTube. But this is the same, literally the same vlog. Okay, so anyways, guys, no. I'm about to get my lashes done. But I didn't even know the girl was 8 minutes from me. So now I'm just gonna run some errands. Like, why would I, you know? I didn't even know that. And it's a new girl because I had another tech, but I don't know. I'm not saying nothing, but yeah. She's 8 minutes from me and I didn't know that. So I left the house early, like 30 minutes early, thinking I'm about to go somewhere. Cause usually I live in Philly, if y'all know, mostly all this stuff, like everybody's in north or northeast, like around that area. So I just thought that's where I was going. So, but she's 8 minutes from me, so yeah, I didn't even have to leave this early. But I'm already went in the car and I was just like, you know what, I might as well just run some errands, like pick up little stuff. So yeah. Y'all, I was in the store. It's the 4th of July and I forgot. The morning of the 4th of July. Why would I go in the store thinking it's not going to be packed? It was so packed in there. Like, the lines is crazy. And I'm like, no, I'm not waiting in this line just to get nothing. Like, I don't really need anything for real. I just be shopping sometimes. Like, no. It was pointless. Like, I'm not waiting in a long line just for something that I can get another day. You know what I'm saying? Nah, because she really ate. And she really did. Like I was saying, she ate. And I have to give y'all her joint. If you're in the Philly area. Or not even. The county. All that. Like, I'm about to give her page because she really ate. It's the real... There we go. Oh, can y'all see? The real mix. She really ate up. Like, free promo right here. I'm putting y'all on. I'm really putting y'all on. I look so cute. Like... Look how sweating I am, like sweaty and sticky and nasty. Look at me. I was just cleaning inside my car. I could have got somebody to do it, but you know, why not do it yourself if you could do it yourself? I'm all scrubbing the seats and do it at all that. Like, what? But I'm smart from a mess. Let me, so y'all don't see nothing. But oh, I got this thing right in front of me. I'm about to go somewhere, y'all. Like, I'm about to get in the shower and go out. Because I feel too nasty. Even though I'm about to be outside again. I'm taking a shower. Let me see. Yes. My Bounce, I think it's the Bounce America or My Bounce America. Something like that. Bounce America. It's in Delaware and I'm going. It's only today and tomorrow. And I picked out my ticket for today. Because, like, why not? Look at this. A child. I'm a whole child. Look at this. No, y'all. Because look at this. Look at that. What? I might have a time. I'm so happy. Like, I can't wait to just be a kid. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't wait to just, I can see. I can't, look, why am I think I'm gonna take this out. I really like this piercing, but I really think I'm gonna take it out because this keloid is annoying and it keeps coming back. Yes. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I'm like so happy. I can't wait to go. Look. Like, this place is huge. I seen this one time somewhere and I wanted to go but never went. This is so fun. Oh my god. What? Look at this. Look at this place. Look at this. Oh my gosh. This, I'm gonna have a ball. Like, it started at 6. It's 2:54 right now. But I can't wait to go. Like, for real. So me and my friends are going. And yes, I'm always wearing pink. For some reason, I don't know. But I'm always wearing pink. Always a little pink touch me. just pink. I mean, that's my color, but I'm not always really wearing pink. Okay. I'm waiting on my friend because she's supposed to come and I'm supposed to drive her. Well, we're driving, but we're taking my car. So, what, like, my edges is not like, oh my god. It's like, it stayed like that, but then it puffed up. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh my god, nothing works. Nothing ever works. I did have one that worked, but I don't even know how to do it. Ugh. I hate this. I'm gonna comb the gel out. Maybe all this old gel. Ew. Y'all see that? My gosh. She just got here. I'm thinking of, should I take my camera or just use my phone? I should use my phone because if I'm jumping, I'm gonna lose this shit. Nah, yeah. I'm taking my phone. Yo, this is a whole wrap around. Go ahead, Lonnie. Go ahead and slide. Go ahead. Go ahead, Lena. Go down the slide. This is a whole full. This 4 little swirls. Where my honey at? Yo. This is all. Yo. Yo. Jump, Lonnie, jump! Jump, Lonnie, jump! Now, jump! So, I'm basically rushing right now because I have to go get my passport, and yeah, I'm sitting here rushing because not go get it, but take my picture. And look, like I look crazy. Like I'm just about to throw something on to my just that's it because I ain't got time. But yeah, that'll probably be the end of my vlog, to be honest. I don't know. Should it? Should it not? I don't know. But if it is, because I'm not going to do anything else for the rest of the week, so there's no point in recording. But I was like, let me hurry up and record, because if I forget to do an outro, then that's fucked up. But, oh, messed up. Yeah, but thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, turn on your post notifications and all that. And yeah, thank you for watching.